With so many weight loss tips out there, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and end up trying everything without seeing any real results. Sound familiar? Losing weight can be a daunting task, especially when it seems like everyone around you is achieving their fitness goals while you're struggling to shed those extra pounds. But the truth is, rapid weight loss is possible, and it's not just about starving yourself or following some crazy diet trend. In today's society, it's more important than ever to take control of our health and well-being. With the rising rates of obesity and related health issues, it's crucial we find a solution that works for us. And let's be honest, who doesn't want to feel confident and comfortable in their own skin? The problem is, there's so much misinformation out there, it's hard to know where to start. That's why in this video, we're going to tackle the topic of losing weight fast and explore the best strategies for achieving your weight loss goals quickly and safely. So, what's behind the current weight loss trends? From keto to intermittent fasting, it seems like every week there's a new diet fad that's supposed to be the answer to all our weight loss prayers. But what's the science behind these methods? And are they really effective in the long run? The truth is, most of these diets are based on some level of restriction, whether it's cutting out certain food groups or drastically reducing calorie intake. And while they may lead to quick results, they're often unsustainable and can even be damaging to our health in the long run. But what about the science behind rapid weight loss? Is it possible to lose weight quickly without sacrificing our health? The answer is yes, and it all comes down to understanding how our bodies work and what triggers weight loss. We've all heard the phrase calories in, calories out, but what does it really mean? Essentially, it means that if we consume more calories than we burn, we'll gain weight, and if we burn more calories than we consume, we'll lose weight. So, the key to rapid weight loss is finding a way to create a calorie deficit without sacrificing our health. So, what are some strategies for rapid weight loss that actually work? One popular approach is high-intensity interval training. This type of exercise has been shown to burn calories quickly and efficiently, and can be adapted to any fitness level. Another approach is incorporating more protein into our diets. Protein takes more energy to digest than carbohydrates or fat, which means it can help us burn more calories and lose weight faster. And let's not forget about the importance of sleep. Getting adequate rest can help regulate our hormones, which can in turn help with weight loss. Of course, diet plays a huge role in weight loss, and there are many diets that can help us achieve our goals quickly. From the keto diet to intermittent fasting, there are many options to choose from. But what about lifestyle changes? Can simply changing our daily habits help us lose weight faster? The answer is yes, and it's all about creating a calorie deficit. By making small changes to our daily routine, such as taking the stairs instead of the elevator or doing a few jumping jacks during commercial breaks, we can burn more calories and lose weight faster. But it's not just about exercise, it's also about what we eat. Eating more fruits and vegetables, reducing our sugar intake, and drinking plenty of water can all help us lose weight quickly and safely. However, it's also important to remember that rapid weight loss isn't always the healthiest or most sustainable approach. In fact, many quick-fix diets can actually do more harm than good. The truth is, rapid weight loss is often associated with a range of health risks, from malnutrition to eating disorders. And let's not forget about the psychological impact of dieting. The constant pressure to look a certain way can be damaging to our self-esteem and overall well-being. So what's the best approach to weight loss? According to experts, it's all about finding a balance between achieving our weight loss goals and prioritizing our health. This might mean taking a slower approach to weight loss, but one that's more sustainable in the long run. The key is to focus on progress, not perfection. Instead of trying to lose weight quickly, we should focus on making healthy lifestyle changes that we can maintain over time. So, what's the takeaway from all of this? Losing weight quickly is possible, but it's not about following the latest diet trend or trying to lose weight as fast as possible. It's about finding a healthy, sustainable approach that works for us and prioritizing our overall well-being above all else. Remember, the most important thing is to focus on progress, not perfection. Don't be discouraged if you don't see results right away. Every small step counts, and it's all about making healthy lifestyle changes that we can maintain over time. And if you're looking for more information on safe and effective weight loss methods, be sure to check out our other videos on health and fitness. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.